So this is the Saker Mini Electric Chainsaw, and my 70-year-old mother got this and loves it. It's like her favorite tool in the garden and in her yard. So the battery is removable, as she just took it off from the bottom of that, and she's showing here how you charge it. Just plug it in right there, plug it into the wall. And how powerful is this thing?
Just slides right back on here. There you go. Very easy. This feature, you press the button.
So a great tool for the garden and yard. Good for
bet.
women too.
Oh,
It's very just
look
easy to
look how
manage.
easy this is.
Yeah.
Like light.
Yeah.
You know, I can't cut down a giant tree, but I can sure take care of all, all the smaller stuff.
Yeah, things that fall down so you can make like a campfire.
Yeah. Yeah.
Stuff. Look at that. That went through really quickly, actually.
It's great.
So here's the kit they sent. Saker Mini Electric Chainsaw. And you can also read the reviews. Obviously I took the chainsaw to here. That's the other battery compartment. They sent me an extra battery, instruction booklet, charger, and a couple of tools, and a little bit of oil.
Me, I think using mini chainsaw for pruning small branches is easier than using the branch cutter, because with the branch cutter it's like